loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a very voluminous defined twist out tutorial for you guys. So if you want to know how I achieved this big look on my super fine natural hair, and I also just how to get super defined hair, then stay tuned. So I will be using hair from BetterLength, and they do specialize in textured clip-ins. They are known for hair for Black women. So the texture that I got from them is their 3A, 3B curly clip-ins. Now it is looser than my natural texture, but I preferred this texture because I wanted it to be easy and I wanted it to be easy to achieve the curls and styles I wanted to do with the clip-ins. So starting out, I am starting on freshly moisturized and sealed hair, so it's like in the midst of drying, so it look a little cray-cray. So this is a volume of the clip-ins. You get 10 clip-ins in each section, so you do get 2, 3 clip-ins, 2 of the 4 clip-ins, 2 5 clip-ins, and you get 4 of the 2 clip-ins, and 2 is bigger than the other. So to start out, I am going to make one very defined part, and this is where I want to wear my hair. So I did go for a middle part. So for today's tutorial, I will be using my spray bottle of water to dampen my hair and to make the hair easier to blend, my Cantu Shea Butter Natural Moisturizing Curl Enhancing Milk, and the Extreme Wet Gel. Not sure what the Cantu's name was for real. So I am going to go ahead and section off my hair, and I do pretty big sections. So this is the first section in the back, and for each section I'm going to apply 2 clip-ins per section. So I will part my hair in a very thin row, and then I'm going to apply a 2 clip-in back there. Basically, I never want the clip-in to go beyond where my natural hair stops. After that, I will make another thin part to cover up that clip-in and to also give an anchor to the second clipping that I will be placing in. So, and as you can see, my parts are not neat whatsoever. You do what you can. So after that, then I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm going to take about medium section sizes, and I will go ahead and spray the water on both my hair and the clip-in extensions, and that's going to loosen the original texture of the clip-ins and make it easier to blend with my hair. I go on with about 1/4 size of my Cantu styling cream, and I apply that mainly to my natural hair, and then the residual will get on the clip-in. After I detangle the sections to make sure everything blends better, then I go in with my gel, and I do the same thing with the gel. I mainly apply the gel to my natural hair, and then the residual goes to the clip-in extensions. So after this, then I will just 2-strand my hair, and I try to make sure when I split the parts that I have equal parts of the extensions and natural hair in each section, and then I just twist very tightly all the way to the end, and then I just do a twirl at the end of the twist to make sure that it stays. So I am doing like basically, I want to say large sections throughout my hair. I have fine hair, so to you it may not look large, but it's large for me. So basically I do the same concept throughout my whole head, and to make it easier, I just always section my hair from like one side to the other side instead of just having to stop and break 1,000 little sections up. So I just do the same thing. I do a very thin part around the entire section and apply the clip-in. So for this area, I use the 5 clip-ins. So when I'm doing this, I will start from the very like edge on one section and just clip it in until it can't go anymore. And then after I make my second part to attach the second clip-in, I will then start on the opposite side and bring that clip-in basically all the way out to my edges, and then clip on the other side till it can't go anymore. And you'll see what I'm talking about, but this just kind of makes sure that my hair is even on both sides, even though the clip-ins can run short. You can place the clip-ins however you like to get the look you want, but this is just how I did it. I feel like it was just easier, and I didn't have to mix and match the clip-ins too bad to get the look that I wanted. So the same thing here. Once I applied those 2 clip-ins, then I just make my same large sections. I dampen the hair, and this helps me to remove like any shedded hair as well in the clip-ins. This hair did not shed a lot. It really had like minimal shedding. But the water just helps break up the curl pattern so it can blend better with your hair and take the actual form of whatever it is that you're doing. A twist out, a braid out, flexi rod set, perm rod set, whatever. So basically I just went ahead and did this all throughout my hair. I did use all 10 clip-ins that came in the pack, and it was more than enough to get the look that I was going for. It's actually super full. I really wasn't expecting it to be as full as it is, but one pack is more than enough if you're using it in between your own hair. So this is my hair after I have installed all of the clip-ins and twisted up my entire hair. Now I did let my hair air dry for about 30 minutes, and then I sat under my hooded dryer for another 30 to 40 minutes. It was about 90% dry. It wasn't dry all the way, but the curls still came out really cute. Just made sure not to touch the areas that wasn't dried all the way. So as you can see, my hair did shrink a little bit from when it dried. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel it, and of course it's super easy to unravel, so you would see. But I definitely did love the texture of the twist out. It actually held the curl pattern really well. I love the volume I got from it. My hair blended really well with it as well. When it was all said and done and everything was out, you literally just could not tell where my hair started and ended except for just the roots. So yeah, I'm loving these clip-ins so far. I have super fine hair. I am natural, but I'm a straight hair natural, so I do straighten my hair, and then that takes away from the thickness as well. But when I do styles like this, like a twist out or a braid out, I like it to be big, fluffy, and voluminous. So if you find you struggle with getting that look when you try to do a little manipulation or heatless style, then I would definitely urge you to check out these clip-ins. They'll probably definitely give you the look you're going for. So I will have a coupon code down below with all the information and the type of clip-ins that I have. So make sure you check the description box if you are interested. Also, let me know what other style you would love to see me try with these clip-ins. Comment down below and I will get that out to you guys. So I'm so excited about these. I can't wait to literally just try them out with everything that I usually do with my hair, because I love super thick hair. So this is the finished result. So I was able to get a super defined twist out. It was so big, so voluminous. I've never in my life had a twist out come out this thick, no matter how much you fluff. So if you're wondering how to get a more bigger, voluminous style without losing the definition, because that's what I was going through. Anytime I tried to pick out my hair, I would lose the definition. It will come out frizzy. I definitely suggest these clip-ins. They're added oomph, added length if you want them to. So I kept it a more natural length. I got the 18 inches, but you could get it longer, or if your hair is shorter, this could be a way to add length for you. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to check the description box for a coupon code to help you out, save some money. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.